Hello guys, so today I will show you a step-by-step guide that will allow you to make money online. So you are going to be making up to $20 per each video. The video is not even long, it's 1 minute to 1 second video. You are going to be making amount of $20 per each video. As long as you are approved on each video you created, you will get paid $20. So you have to click on the first link in the description to go to the website. So once the website opens, this is the website which is called billoapp. So this application which is called billoapp will allow you to create content and get paid by doing this. So there's a lot of people that is doing this and they are making real money with this strategy. So you can do it, anyone can do it. As long as you have your smartphone and you have a free editing software, even if you don't have money to buy like Premiere Pro or any other editing software that is a paid one, as long as you have like a software like Final Cut, you can do this job. So all you just have to do is to watch me showing you what you have to do, and at the end of the day you will find yourself using this method to make real money online. So how can you start? The first thing you have to do is to click on this part where it said become a creator. So once you click on become a creator, so once they bring you to this session, what you have to do is to look through everything, look through all the whole platform, just go through. It's very important to go through what you want to start using. So you can see they have 4 steps before you can join this program. So that is what I just want you to know. So just look through everything, and once you are done looking through that, you can take your time to read through the program and see how it works. But you don't need to do that, because that is why I'm making this video. So I will just explain everything to you and you can go and start using this method. You can see what it says. It says join our community of video creators. So create a short video for the brand you love, get free products and cash reward. It's super easy to join. So it's simple, just like they have said. You need to join the program, which is the community, which is Billo community. And what you have to do is, once you have joined and they have approved you, then the next thing you have to do is to start picking the type of video you want to be creating. And each video you create, as long as the brand they approve you from that video that you have created for them, you will get paid. There's millions of brand that is on this website, or thousands of brand that is on this website, that you can join and start using them to make money. And what is good is that the program is through your smartphone. As long as you have a smartphone, you can do this. You can see the application is on Apple Store and is on Google Play Store. So how to join? The first thing you have to do is to fill in the below registration form. So once you fill in the form, the next thing you have to do is to pitch your talents. Like, you need to create a short videos about, it's kind of a short video for them to see that, okay, you are qualified for this kind of job. So once you send them this video, and they are going to approve you. So once they approve you, pay attention to everything that the brand is telling you to do. That you'll find a bunch of brand, you find millions of brand on billoapp. So once you select the video you want to create, you can go and create the video, and it can be that the client, they are going to send you the product. So you have to wait, let us say within 3 days or 1 week, you receive the product. And what you have to do is to review the product. Once you are done reviewing the product, you are not sending the product back. The product is now for you. Review the product and send the video that you have created of 1 minute, send it to the brand. And if they look through the video, they find it out that is useful and is exactly what they are asking you from, they are going to approve that your video, and you are going to get paid on billoapp. So that is how it works, guys. It's very, very simple. Anyone can do it, even if you don't have any skills. So what are the risks? What are the advantage and the disadvantage of this program? So the advantage is that it's simple. Anyone can create video. It doesn't matter how you look or where you are, you can create video. That is the advantage of this program. So the disadvantage is that this program is not available in all countries. So let me show you around. It's only available in US. So if you are in US, voila, congratulations, you are the people that they are looking for this program. So if we scroll down here now, let us say because on the program they have the beginner, and they have the pro creator. They have the beginner creator and they have the pro creator. So For the, let us say you are a beginner creator, it's a perfect match for aspiring video content creators. Collaborate with brand and develop your skills. Requirement: only basic skills required for lighting and sound and editing. So that is what you need. You need light, to make sure that they are seeing you and they are seeing the product that you are trying to review. And the bottom here, you have to feel comfortable in front of the camera and have a presentation skill. So you need to be comfortable, just like you see, like I'm talking to you now. I'm very comfortable. I don't feel there's no pressure here. I'm just explaining this Billo app to you. It's just example of what you have to do. Free and explain yourself what the product is, and if people are interested on it, then they can pick it. So that is it. It's just the same thing on the pro plan. You just need to follow the same strategy, and there is no expensive equipment you need. As long as you have your smartphone, you have a software like Final Cut, you have more light in that room that you're trying to shoot the video, and say you are the right person for this product, or the right person to start creating this content for Billo or for Billo brands. So that is everything I need to talk about. Let us scroll down. I will just explain some things to you here. If you see where it said FAQ, which is frequently asked question, on this part it said, who can be a creator on Billo? That is what I told you. This application is only available to US citizens, which is US based people, and you need to be at least 18 years old. And if you scroll down again here where it said, how do I get paid? If you click on it, you see, as soon as your video get approved, the payout amount is added to your earning gets transferred to your PayPal account. How can I choose a brand to work with? So if you click on that, let us see. Say yes, you will be able to choose between offers from different brands. Read the requirement beforehand and decide if you like to apply. So you can read the product or the brand before you even apply. So that is a good thing. And if you scroll down here, say, how will I get the product? It say, product will get shipped to your address free of charge. Products are considered as a part of your reward, so you never have to pay for them. So the product will be shipped to you. So let me say you want to review a product like a cream, like a body cream. They are going to send you the product and you are going to test it. So when the product will arrive, you are not sending the product back. The product will stay with you, and that is the end of that product. So it will become yours at the end of the day. That is why it's still good. That is the advantage too on this program. So you say, do I need to post video on my social media? No, you don't post video on your social media. You only have to upload them on Billo app. So like I told you, that is what you have to do. And if you scroll down here, the last part, which is, do I need special equipment to film a video? Let us open it and see the response. If you are applying to be a creator, it's enough to have a smartphone. When it comes to Content Pro, we expect you to have equipment that will level up your studio, lighting, background drops, etc. to ensure high video and audio quality. So that is everything you have to do on this program, on how you can use it to make real money online. So guys, you see now how you can make $20 per each video you create. So the video is not even a long video, it's a short content video. All those reels you see on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok and all these old social media platforms. So it's a very short content video that you are going to be creating. There's company that will even pay more. They can pay $100, $90, $80, depend on the company. If you want to use this app, the link will be in the description below. And I will say thank you very much. And I will say you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this video that I just made now about Billo. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to use the link in the description to sign up on Billo. And I will say thank you very much. And again, don't forget, if you want to learn how to make money with affiliate program, you can click on the second link to check my free ebook that I have made for you to learn how you can make money with affiliate program. And if you want to watch my video where I talk about how to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this first video. If you want to learn how you can make money by just taking surveys, you can watch the second video. I will say thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video.